Welcome to the third lecture of the Plutus Pioneer program. Before I start, I just want to mention something regarding the Plutus playground. So in previous iterations, some of you were struggling with timeouts. So depending on how fast your machine is, if you try the playground on your local machine and compile a Plutus program, then that can take such a long time that the server produces an error and complains about the timeout. And you can actually configure the timeout, so you can increase it if you run into this problem by passing command line parameters -i and then the desired timeout, so 120 seconds in this example. And if you do that, then you also see here that it took effect. So here in this example it says max interpretation time 120 seconds. So if you have this problem that compilation takes too long, then you can try to increase the timeout like this.